Good morning, children. Today we will see a new chapter, that is living and non-living things. In this chapter we will see about some natural things, human-made things, living things, non-living things. Okay. So what are natural things? Things that we find in nature are called natural things. Things that we find in nature or exist in nature are called as natural things. What are the example of natural things? Sun, moon, plants, animals, rocks, sand and water, etc., etc. Natural things means already they are present in the nature, and those are made by God. Those are not made by humans. Okay? You can see moon, plants, drawing. Okay, so those are all natural things. Then what is human made things? Human made things, those are made by human. Example: table, chair, books, toys, etc. You can see the picture. Okay, chair, book, table. So these are human made things. Those are specifically made by human beings. Okay. Now we will see living things. What is the difference between living things and non-living things? So human-made things are also called as non-living things because they don't have life, right? And what are the living things? We can say animals, plants, human beings. Those have life are called as living things. So what is the first basic difference between living things and non-living things? Living things, all living things breathe. That is, they breathe in air. They need air to live. Okay, without air, they cannot live. In the air, we have a gas called oxygen that is very much necessary for us to live. We breathe in oxygen. Okay. Now we will see how do these living things breathe in air. What are the different parts of the various living things through which they breathe in air. First we will see the part that helps us in breathing is nose. Okay, nose. Most animals that live on land breathe through the nose. You also have nose, I also have nose, animals also have nose, and some birds also have nose. Okay, so those animals that live on land breathe through nose. Now we will see another part, that is spiracles. What are spiracles? Spiracles are small holes that are present on the insect's body. Insects breathe through these small holes called spiracles. What are the example? Example are cockroaches and beetles and many more. Okay? Did you understand? Now we will see the third part, that is gills. What are gills? Many animals that live in water breathe through gills. Okay? So gills are present in fish. Okay? Fish breathe through gills. Do you understand? You want to see the picture of the gills? That is, you can see here. This is the picture of the gills. Fish breathe through gills. Now, the fourth part is stomata. What is stomata? Stomata are also small holes, but they are present where? On the underside of the leaves of the plants. Plants breathe through small holes on the underside of their leaves. That is called as stomata. So these are the various ways and parts that through which living things breathe in air. Did you all understand? So nose, spiracles, gills, stomata, these are the four parts that helps the living things to breathe in air. we will see about the non-living things. Do they breathe or not? No. Non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Did you understand, children?